What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daily Social Podcast. In this episode, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to build your tallest building in 2023. So let's just jump right into the episode. What is going on, guys? Just want to wish you guys a happy 2024. There's a lot of things that I'm working on right now for 2024. So the big thing that is my main focus is the marketing side of things and the social media side of things. So always remember to engage and to market yourself effectively. But yeah, guys, I just want to wish everyone a happy 2024 because we are literally 48 hours away. So happy 2024 in advance. Wish you guys well. Happiness, health, family, all those things. And we will see you guys definitely in the new year. And let's get to work on making 2024 one of the greater years. And for your business, for your family, for your side hustles, let's make 2024 the best. I will see you guys in the new year. Hey guys, thanks for listening to the Daily Social Podcast. Be sure to hit that subscribe button on wherever you guys get your podcasts. And we look forward for you to be joining us on the next episode. And if you guys haven't done so already, make sure to click that subscribe button, and we will see you guys in the next